Welcome to MGT-140 Quality Management. This is a brief course overview video. This week, you want to make sure you start with the introduction content area, which contains announcements, start here, instructor information, and the syllabus and schedule. Please make sure to review the syllabus and contact me if you have any questions. Next is the weekly modules. You will see a module for each week. Obviously, the first week is module 1. The modules will have the same structure. You will begin with the learning objectives. Next will be the assignment summary, which for this week, you will want to review the information already stated. Read chapter 1 and review the chapter 1 PowerPoint presentation. You want to respond to the peer-to-peer discussion, which is introduce yourself, and complete the chapter 1 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, which contains a reading assignment that you need to complete. Of course, you have to buy the required materials for the course if they're not provided for you, and review the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 1. Next, we have the link to the peer-to-peer discussion, introduce yourself. Of course, share as much as you want, but don't share anything that you might deem as personal. And if you want to, you can also include a picture. And make sure you respond to at least one other classmate. And lastly for the week would be the Chapter 1 Introduction to Quality and Performance Excellence quiz that you must complete. If you look to the left-hand side of the menu, we also have quick links to the assignments. So here's your link to the peer-to-peer discussions and quizzes. Your resource content area has the PowerPoint presentations, the rubrics for the assignments, student resources, and Blackboard assistance. Next, we have the grades and tools. Here's where you can view your grades and the tools within the course. That concludes the overview video. I hope everyone has a great semester.